Hey there, welcome to the Julian Alps. My name is Luka Jesenko and I'm hiking at Mangart saddle right now. Depending on the weather, I'm gonna decide whether I climb the mountain for sunset, I stay here on the saddle, or I traverse towards the eastern side of the mountain, not going up to the top but staying on the same altitude more or less, but to get to the views where I can see the whole Julian Alps, including Mount Triglav, Mount Škrletica, Mount Jalovec, which are some of the highest peaks of Slovenia. And today is a special day. It was raining all day and it just stopped. The road here is still wet. While I was driving for 2 hours to get here, it was more or less rain, and the forecast is that the clouds should disperse towards the evening. So if this happens, there is a decent chance for a beautiful sunset. There is a decent chance I can capture the moonrise, because it's a full moon today, actually tomorrow morning, but anyway, the moon should be nice and round and it should rise about the same time as the sunset. So the plans, the hopes are big, but I'll be happy whatever happens. It's just beautiful to be out there here. Mount Mangart is an amazing mountain with amazing views everywhere. I decided to continue from the saddle towards the eastern side of the mountain, because clouds are just rolling around the saddle here, wrapping around the mountain, so it's very hard to say what's gonna happen. So the only thing I can do is give it a try. So I think it's about 30-40 minutes walk to the east side, and it's not too much elevation gain, it's not too steep, so why not give it a try? It's still like a couple of hours till sunset, and I'm gonna check it out how it is on the other side, because if with a little bit of luck it's gonna be clear views towards east, which would be ideal for evening and night photography tonight. came to this spot here where there's a fork towards Mount Mangart or to Kotovo Sedlo. So this is a good spot because I can see from the nearby mountains like Mount Yalovets, which is in front of me. It's wrapped in thick clouds, so I assume it's the same with the top of Mount Mangart. And although I have enough time to go to the top, I'm gonna stick around here at this crossroads because this ridge is really scenic. It's peeking out of the fog. Fog's actually rolling across it, so that's really picturesque. And with a little bit of luck towards the sunset, these clouds will go away, or most of them, so we can see towards Julian Alps, we can see the highest peaks of Slovenia. So there's about an hour, a little bit more left to sunset, and I'm just gonna stick around, get ready, dress up, have some food, and see what happens. For almost 2 hours, well past sunset, we were still in this thick fog. But then it suddenly started to open up and we could see into the distance all the peaks of Julian Alps. It was really, really beautiful with this pink sky, clouds rolling around the peaks. Amazing. The moon was still in this distance cloud, but soon it started to rise up and it backlit all these clouds in front of us. It was fantastic, really beautiful sight. And I managed to get 2 really nice shots I like a lot. Here is the first one, a telephoto shot of these backlit clouds rolling around the highest peaks and the moon lighting up the scenery. And this is my last shot for the day, a wide-angle view of Julian Alps and the full moon rising above Mount Triglav and creating this beautiful rainbow halo effect.